What is going on, and welcome back to another impressive vlog. It has been an extremely long time, but we are back with a pretty fun video. So if you guys have Brian's with us right here. If you guys have seen our AMG GT, wide body, everything crazy, we're actually rewrapping it soon. So go to our Instagram and give us some suggestions because we're not too sure what we want to do yet. But other than that, we have, yeah, so this is actually our AMG. It's no, I'm just kidding. So this is a customer's GTS. As you can see, really clean, matte black. Hey, that carbon on the engine bay. We don't have this. This is actually super nice. Some nice two-tone gray and black interior. God, the GTS is so much nicer than the GT. But we're not, well, we are wrapping it. But we're not only wrapping it. We're not only doing clear bra, whatever. We actually are creating our twin. So we just unboxed the kit and it's all on the floor right here. To be honest with you, I forgot how much shit was actually in this kit. We're gonna be throwing this kit on the GT, so we got the car jacked up for now. We have the air suspension, we have the kit, we have the wrap, and we're just waiting on some wheels. What do you think? You excited for this?
Not really. I don't like doing this stuff. I don't want to cut my finger again.
Oh, that's right. You cut your finger when we did ours. I'll play that clip right now. Yeah, this should be really fun. Feels good to finally be building another car. As you guys know, SEMA didn't happen last year, or it did, but it wasn't actually like SEMA. So yeah, it was virtual. So we didn't really have any builds last year. And as much as the SEMA crunch sucks, at the end of it, it's actually really fun. So to be able to actually build something and have time to build something is nice. But I'm gonna quit talking now. And we're gonna get into this right away. New exhaust tips are in. We still have to cut this shielding in the back right here. That way we can actually get the exhaust up and through here. Same thing on the other side. And then we got the rear bumper on. So you guys can see, this thing is already looking much wider. And then we got this quarter panel in place. We're just kind of test fitting everything, making sure everything's good. And then Brian's taping off this spot so we don't scratch up the car, but we're gonna get ready to mock up this side skirt. We'll get to the fun part soon where all the sparks fly and people cut their fingers. All right, we are now on day 2 of the GT build. Running into a slight problem where the rear quarter doesn't actually line up perfectly. We've tried trimming a couple pieces, moving things around, but it's just not lining up like it should. So it's been holding us back from completing the rest of it. But we're gonna try to figure that out ASAP because I wanna try to get the kit mostly on today. That way we can see how it looks and then we can get started with actually wrapping all the pieces and the body itself. All right, so we finally figured out this rear quarter panel piece. We finally got it to fit and work. So now we have the rear bumper mocked up, the rear quarter panel piece, the side skirt. We're getting ready to cut the front. As you can see, we got some outlines started. Brian is actually using our car as reference. So it's been over a year, so you can see we actually had to cut a lot out of this, and then up here you have to cut in more because there is a vent that sits on the fender right here. Brian's just mocking everything up because it's always better to measure twice, cut once, especially when you're working on a customer's car. All right, so we now finally have the kit fully on the car. Everything is held in with self-taps for now, just so we can get everything aligned. These will be replaced with riveting nuts, so the kit will not go anywhere. But check it out. The full sides of the car as well as the rear bumper, which we'll check out right now, are now on the car. Woo. Ooh, it's starting to look so good. I cannot wait till this thing is done. Being able to take pictures with this one right next to ours is gonna be a ton of fun. So yeah, Brian already went ahead and cut the fronts. So as we can check these out, these guys have already been cut. You can see through the vent too. There's no more fender there. Fronts are cut. However, the rear we still need to cut. This hasn't been cut yet. So we'll get to cutting that next. But for now, we have the kit on the car and it's starting to look really good. Again, still a lot of work to do. We still have the front lip to put on, the canards to put on. We're not doing the wing like I had said earlier. So we're gonna get right back into that. And then after the body is done, we can finally move on to the suspension. Throw the airlift in there. Where we last left off, everything was on the car, and as you guys just saw, Brian finished up doing the riveting nuts. So we now have professional hardware in there. It doesn't look all tacky like the self-taps do. Now that the kit's on the car, we can finally move on to the suspension and the wrap. You guys finally get to see the color that this thing is going. It's gonna look so good. Again, thank you guys for watching another impressive vlog. Like I had said, it's been a while since we've done one, and I definitely wanna bring them back because they're a ton of fun to do. And it's really cool being able to share what we do with you guys. So if you like them, or if you have any other ideas that you guys want to see us do, leave a comment down below. Until then, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next episode.